Welcome to the KPIs control licensed user console. Today we will go to the licensed console with an advisor and consultant. I have applied for the same, and this is our email which came to us when we applied for the same. I will copy this email, this password, and this license number. Look, this is the mail, and we will copy the email ID, the password, and this license number. Now I'm copying the password and I'm copying the license number. I'm signing in the application. We can see an empty dashboard. It is very much similar to the large holding company dashboard. The functions are also very similar to a large holding company. The difference between a large holding company and advisor and consultant company is only with the sub users. Here, the sub user signifies the clients or the client companies, and in large holding company previously, the sub users are the sister concerns or the companies. So, first of all, I will go to the my profile area from where I will have all the informations ready in my profile area. I will upload a picture here as we seen in previous videos, and will select a category based on the categories which are available: legal consulting, real estate consulting, information technology consulting, HR consulting, and financial consulting. Say suppose I am going with HR consulting. I'm updating. Now I'm done. I'm going to the self dashboard, which will show the metrics library of HR consulting and all the matrices populated for an HR consulting advisor. This is my self business dashboard. Means here I will enter the absence rate, the absence cost, the employee productivity rate, employee satisfaction index, employee engagement index, employee promotional rate, net promoter score, percentage of cost of the workforce, turnover rate, etc. And this will denote my key performance indicator pie chart analysis of how much objective I've achieved, how much strategies I have taken, and how much forecasted actions I have taken and actual actions taken. Based on that, the quick reporting tools will suggest the reports here of objectives, strategies, forecasts, actions, employees, and the consolidated report are the tickable reports. Now, first of all, we would like to create a client, because the main purpose of this advisor consultant KPI user based license is to create client companies. So directly I'm going to the manage sub users. I'm onboarding new sub user client. Say suppose I'm giving as test A. Now the categories, I can select anyone, an individual or any other consultant, any other mid-scale company, etc. So I will create an information technology small company, will give the phone number, sample phone number, the email ID of that company, which is test at the rate test, I'm giving a password, I'm giving a location, I'm giving the address field here. So I'm onboarding the new user. Simple. I have onboarded this client. You can see the informations are given. I will onboard another client with test B. This will be a household individual, a personal life development budget and savings plan. Say, suppose I will be having a budget and savings plan household individual under my advisor. Uh, I will again create a sample phone number here, email ID as test1 at the rate test.com, password, location, and address. See, if I have created two users. I have created two users. One is the test A, another is the test B. Now I will go to my consolidated dashboard area, and we can see for my personal business use, I have 9 matrices libraries available. I have created no objectives, but I have two client companies now. So these are the client companies. I can search and see their respective dashboards. See, this test A company have information technology services as metrics category, and the matrices are performance metrics, organization metrics, cost metrics. These are their report areas. And test B have budget and savings plan, and it has net worth, income, expense, debt to income ratio in percent, credit score, savings to income ratio, savings rate, spending rates, etc. So this is entire this dashboard is a dynamic dashboard from where I can search my client companies and see their KPIs and matrices. Also, I can see their demographics too, how they are using the system or where they lack. Now, simply I will log in into the system with the credentials of these employees. I am logging out from this system. So the employee is test at the rate test.com. Password is 12345, and the license number I have created is 209755. It is the same license number. Advisor consultant company holding a license number will have the same license number for login to all their clients. I'm signing in into the system. Now the dashboard metrics category are information technology services, department, employees, objectives, strategies, forecast actions. This is a mid-scale company, and this is created by the advisor. Now I'm going to the my profile area, and here I can see it is the child client company. Okay, the category is defined by the advisor consult. I cannot change this category as I'm a child company or a client company. I cannot change this category. This is set by the advisor admin. See, onboard type is offline via consultant advisor admin. I can upload a picture and update it if I want. So this is my profile picture I have uploaded. I have only self dashboard, my profile area. So first of all, as I am a mid scale company, I will create departments. Say suppose I will create management department. I will create management department here. I'm sorry, not here. This is search department. I will create from here. Add. It's created. Now I'll create employees if I want. If I have some employees, I will create and assign it to the management department, as you can see, and also the reporting person as test A if I want. So now I'm directly going to the manage objectives. I have skipped the employees part because previously I have shown you how to create an employee and how to measure the objective strategies and actions in large holding company video. So I'm skipping that. I'm going directly to the objective section. I'm taking an objective. Add an objective. First of all, taking an objective here, we need to be very focused about what objective I want to take. For that, first of all, I have to select the department management. The metrics category as organization metrics. There are three metrics available: performance metrics, organization metrics, cost metrics. If I select organization metrics, I will create the objective name as I will create the performance metrics. Then I will be having performance to increase performance and productivity. Productivity. Okay. Now a description area and from date I will create a date of say suppose March 1st. Then I will create a date of deadline of 31st March, means 1 month, to increase performance and productivity. Or I can give a prolonged date more of okay, 31st will do good because it will end the financial year. So qualitative target is I can set the qualitative target as exponential rate growth, and quantitative target as 1000 1000 1000, or I can tell you 50%. 50, I will select it as 50. It means the quantitative targets means the amount, so I will rather give 5000 5 lakhs units. Okay, so the key is by default it is 100. I'm adding this objective. These are only for testing purpose, so I this need to be more planned, and these objectives need to be more actual and proper at the time of entering this. So I have created this objective. Now the strategy, I will add a strategy to it. I will select the objective. Leftover index is 100, so it's okay. Strategy type is obviously first of all qualitative. the allocated is 50, and another quantitative I will select 50. So it is basically divided into two parts: qualitative indicators and quantitative indicators. So 50 I am setting it for the qualitative indicator and 50 for the quantitative indicator, so that it will yield more accurate indicator or performance indicator result. So my strategy is increase in production, increase in resource production. So increase in resource production means I need to increase the resource maybe in their production. So this to increase performance productivity. This is the qualitative parameter, which is 50. I'm adding it. Okay, I've added it. Now I will forecast the action. This is most important part. Here the parameters which is available for me are this. Okay, so infrastructure downtime is the parameter which is available. Infrastructure downtime, I will write the same parameter in my forecast action. The strategy name is increase in resource production. It is very simple and short. Infrastructure downtime. Metric parameter forecast details is minimalizing the downtime. Index is, say, suppose 10 out of 50, it is maybe 5. Okay, the forecast action, the date is obviously 31st of March, deadline date, because it ends, the objective ends in this date. So added this action. See, this is my action which I've added it. Now I can view this with this icon, icon. I can view this total. I can change the parameter if I want. No, I don't want. So okay, leave it to as it is. Now I will go to the manage action area. I can take the action here. Infrastructure downtime I've selected in the forecast, and taken action is no downtime noticed in last in 31 days, or you can say 10 downtime noticed in 31 days maybe. So this is achieved, and the operational date is the 31st March date I'm giving. So I have taken this action. So here I will go to my dashboard. I will have the exact result of one objective, one strategy taken, one forecast taken, one action taken. So 5% of my performance matrix is achieved out of 100. And what is it? It is this. This was my objective. This was my strategy. This the forecast action taken, and all details I'm giving here. The actions, everything. The status is achieved. In status achieved column, see, this is action taken 5%. Yet to forecast, I haven't forecast this thing. Yet to take, this is yet to take, and this is taken. And this red part is the yet to be achieved, means this part of objective is yet to be achieved. So this is the entire story. Now I am getting logged out from this. Excuse me. and I am again logging into another client so that an advisor can get all the results properly. So the license number is this. This is another user, budget and savings plan. This is an individual user. So here I will I can create the objectives, strategies, actions. As you can understand from it, the in the my profile area, I can go in the my profile area. I will have all the data selected. This is the child client company and everything here, and the category is budget and savings plan. So by this method I can be more specific about my KPI standards. The clients can log in into the system to use, their employees can use, they can create multiple number of departments, they can have objectives, strategies and action which will enhance their performance, and also the metrics, they can fulfill their metrics. So I'm logging out from this system and again log in as the advisor. I'm copying the password again and the license number. Okay, now signing into the system. Here I will go to the consolidated dashboard and I can see this test day company have this demographics. See, one department created this demographics. It is very similar, 5%. It is very similar to the demographics we have noticed. So here I can get all the reports. Simple. So this is the advisor and consultant KPIs control license product. So it will be upscaled or it will be upgraded in coming days. So stay tuned and raise questions if you have any. Thank you.